The YIBULAYIN 200FT RGB Eaves Lights offer stunning lighting effects, creating the perfect atmosphere for holidays or daily use with a wide array of 16 million vibrant colors. Designed to withstand any weather condition, these lights are crafted with UV-resistant materials and boast an impressive IP67 waterproof rating, ensuring durability even in harsh climates. Installation is a breeze with options for adhesive backing or screws, allowing for quick and secure setup of these permanent outdoor lights. With smart app and remote control capabilities, you can easily customize colors, brightness, and set schedules to suit your preferences for any occasion. These versatile lights are ideal for festive seasons like Christmas or Halloween, as well as everyday accent lighting, making them a fantastic addition to gardens, patios, garages, and pathways. The advanced LED technology ensures consistent color and brightness, providing up to 50,000 hours of reliable and energy-efficient lighting.